My cacti and succulents are not happy with me, and they're not happy with me for a few reasons, but the main reason is that the soil is wrong. It needs not only to drain more cleanly, but it also is missing a lot of nutrients that these plants need, and I haven't been giving them. So I got the Back to Roots Succulent and Cacti mix. This mix is specifically designed for these kind of plants. Not only is it designed to drain cleanly, but it manages the pH balance correctly and gives them all the nutrients they want. So the soil feels a lot different than standard soil. It has a bit of a sandy texture to it. You can definitely feel the peat and the bark in it. It's just a really nice soil for succulents. And it also comes really quite moist in here, so you will not want to water your plants when you repot them. So let me repot these real quick and I'll show you the end result. My succulents and cacti have been unhappy for years, and I am so glad that I just finished replanting them in this Back to Roots Succulent and Cacti mix. I'm confident that they are going to look healthier than ever in the coming weeks as they get the nutrients they need and the soil drains properly on them. I definitely recommend the Back to Roots Organic Succulents and Cacti mix.